Here we have a lot of air conditioners at this property. This commercial property, only one that's running. Yeah, it looks a bit gross, you know. It's a heat pump. I think these are all heat pumps. So I'm going to start with the one that's running. And its model number is 6H0018A100A4. Serial number is 76D4F. It was made in 2002. Here we have a newer American Standard unit. Let's focus. Yeah, here you go, and let me go over here too. Where it shows the heat pump. Hang on, it's really hard to see in this. I don't know if it's a heat pump or not, but it probably is. Yeah, it's a heritage unit, so it's a heat pump. The model number is 2A6C003-0A30000AA. Serial number is 25011TU3F. This is also made in 2002. Just a different style it appears. So this one, I think these are all 2002 units except for the Bryants, which appear to be newer. Yeah, this one's pretty much just these are all pretty much just carbon copies of each other, somewhat. Right here is another American Standard heat pump. Let me look around. I think this might be heat pump. Let's see if I can find a designation. Heritage, yeah, it's a heat pump. So yeah, this is another heat pump. Let's see, where's the data panel on this thing? I'm walking circles around it, literally. This is a 2003 unit. The model number is 2A6H1060A1000AB. Serial number is 3423MBF2F. Here we have another Heritage 11. I think this is a 2003. Yeah, it's also 2003. There goes the fan spinning. Here's another Heritage 11 from 2003. There's another American Standard. I think this is a Heritage 10. I gotta be careful over here. Don't want to accidentally turn on or off any AC units, although they're all on. Don't want to turn any of them off. And this is 2002. It's nothing special. And the only reason I'm really not reading a lot of serial numbers that take a long time. Here's one of the Bryants over here. It's a 2007 Bryant. The serial number is 0907E11506. The model number is 213RPA048-B. Now over here we have another Bryant. This appears to be a larger version. I'm going to read the model serial number on this. It's also 2007 Bryant. The serial number is 2607E7905. The model number is 213RPA060-B. This is a heat pump. And is this a heat pump or a straight cool? This is also a heat pump. So yeah, these are all heat pumps. And here's two more that I forgot to look at. Let's see when these are from. Get over to this guy. And he's 2004. So the model number is 2A6H2036A1000AB. Serial number is 4381RLG4F. And this one appears to also, hang on, is this a heat pump first off? No, this is a straight cool unit. There's a variety of mixtures of straight cool and heat pumps here. This one is also a straight cool. And I'll go read them all on serial number. The model, this is also from 2004. The model number is 2A6H1042A1000AB. Serial number is 413560H4F. Yeah, bunch of air conditioners at a commercial property. No, one of them is running. Flip this focus, and I'm gonna get a good wide shot at all of these. You can see my bike there. But yeah, air conditioners at a commercial property, only one of them is running. Over and out.